Right then, Jack, 70 first time around, so that's a C. Is what I'm looking for you now. Looking from you is that you can maintain that high standard when you're working through these past papers. Right, you need to write it in the order that it's given. So you need to be writing it as 0.73, 3/4, 78%. Okay, so you're going to lose 1 mark for that. And 5, 10, 7, 8, 2. You get your 3 marks there. You get 2 marks there. 5 and 5 there, so total for the page 10, 13, 17. Good start. That's fine. That's good. BC is correct. You need to be able to measure angles, so if it's something you can't do, watch the video clip, practice it, and it's easy marks. The one that you've left out here is perpendicular. Perpendicular means at right angles to 90 degrees. So you're looking for the line that's at right angles to DC, which hopefully you can see is AE. Total for the page 6. 2, that's right. Right, you're going to get no marks for this because although you've correctly put in the 2 diagonals, you've also incorrectly added the vertical and horizontal. Now, if that was a line of symmetry, then that would have to reflect over there, and it doesn't. And similarly, it would have to reflect down there if that was a line of symmetry. So you lose those marks, you get that right, and you get the 3 marks for that. 6 for the page. 18 and 25 are correct. It's not 8, it's plus 8. You've got to add 8 to that. So the number of rods in pattern 16 is going to be 25 add 8, which is 33. That's okay. X equals 5 is wrong. It's 6. 24 divided by 4. 8 is correct. 9A is correct. And here you've actually got to evaluate that. You've got to tell me what that comes to. So you're going to lose a mark there. So you're throwing away some careless marks here, Jack. 6 for the page. That's correct. 4/6. Not really sure what you're doing there, but it's not right. What you need to be doing, first of all, finding 1/8. So you do 48 divided by 8, which is 6, and then you need 3 of them, so 3 lots of 6 is 18. That's correct. 64 is cube. 61 and 67 are prime, but you've then included 63 as a prime number, and it's not, because 9 sevens is 63. That's correct, but you've then got to multiply 8 by 25, and it isn't 216, it's 200. You need to develop a strategy, find a method for non-calculated subtraction, and practice it until you can do it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the page. And just make up some numbers, take them away without using a calculator, and then check you got the answer right using your calculator. 6 plus x, 25y. 9r is correct, but that's wrong. The t's, you've got negative 4t plus 7. So on your number line, you're down at minus 4, and then you're adding 7 is going to take you to plus 3t. And with this one, if it's 2 meters shorter, it's less, 2 meters less than that. So if that was 10, you'd be doing 10 take away 2, the other car would be 8. So it would be B take away 2. And you've got all of that right, so that's good. 6, 8, 9, for the page. That's wrong and that's wrong. Take a look at how I've explained that on the video clip and make sure you can get your head around it. Basically, you need to spot that that's a special type of triangle, and you haven't done that. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Fine for the page. Take a look at how I've explained that on the video clip. That's good. Full marks for that. Again, that's something that I explained carefully on my solution. And watch the video for this, because you've only got one of them right. That again needs more detail than what you've put there. That's right with you. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct, but it's not finished. You want to find out what 1e is worth, so you have to divide by 4. So you get 2 out of the 3 there. So 3, 6, 8, 9 for that page. So 70 is a tough ask to beat. Let's see how close you've got, Jack. 17, 23, 29, 35, 42, 51, 56, 60, 69. Well, 1 mark off. Still a grade C, and it's still you know, a very high standard. So I'm pleased with that. And there's lots of marks in there that you've thrown away that hopefully when you go through it, you'll be kicking yourself.